trap warning for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP emerges as S&P 500 prints rising wages. US inflation high. Like I told you, CPI is coming out by 2:30 p.m. SAST today. And now, like I said, we need to be careful because of the bull trap. I've been saying this for like 2 weeks. You understand? Why? Is because everyone is agitating, oh, BTC should go to 180, 240 thereabouts. But they've forgotten that BTC has done so well. If we're going to look for the sector that need to perform very well now, should be the altcoin sector and what? And the meme coin. And the only thing that I think is going to propel the meme coin this remaining bull cycle is the ETF we're hoping to come out today for Dogecoin. Like I said, if you watched the show yesterday, we're going to have the first ever ETF for meme coin. So we need to be careful not to be what? Bull trap. Now, another news on the radar, and this one is Dogecoin leads gain, Bitcoin pops to 114,000 as M2 setup open BTC catch-up trade. I told you the crypto edge is higher right now, and with BTC near 114,000 and Dogecoin leading, it shows that this thing is just the hype building before the news. I am not saying we cannot scale through the little profit or the movement that is going on, but what I'm saying is let us wait for Wednesday when we're going to have the great news or good news or bad news, and that will determine if we should go all in or we should step aside. Because remember, once the news drop and it's not really that favorable, the market is going to pump. Remember, we have what we call sentiment in the market. Everyone is sentimental about rate cut, rate cut, rate cut. Now, after the rate is being cut, because of that sentiment, the market is going to move. That is 100%. We're going to see the market shooting up, shooting up. But remember when we had the Jackson Hole, the market moved from, let me show you, I think the market moved from 110 thereabouts. Let's see. When we had the Jackson Hole, yeah, here is it. You can see this is the Jackson Hole from about 113 to 120 something thereabout, and the market dropped back immediately. Do you understand? So it shows that the sentiment will always work at first, but as the market cools off, the investors will do what they want to do, and we don't need to be caught up with a bull trap.